I've got my parts for my Mosquito. That's going to be my wings. That's a tailgate. Pulled off these cylinders from snippers. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these off so that they all sit flush against each other. Then I'm going to run some rods through, weld them on. Here I have these are old hedge cutters. That's going to be mounted on to this old alternator, which I've just put some bolts through, and they will attach to my wings, which are this is the tailgate, and so the body's going to be up and down this way. The head's going to weld on here, and then I'm going to have my legs weld out from there. So I got my two legs, and I'm thinking that at this point that this is going to be my head. I'm going to weld that bearing on there like so, and I'm going to cut this off here, weld that out through the front for its blood sucking syringe, and I'm thinking that these will be the eyes for it. Not sure yet, but we'll see. I may even cut this down a bit and weld that on, and yeah, we'll see how we go. taking my rods and giving them a little bit more of a curve to them. So I'm doing like 3 bends in each one. These are the ones I've done so far. Picked up this old ring, and this is a cement roller for using on your garden. So that's the handle piece. I've just cut that. I'm putting it inside this gear, and then I'm going to weld. I've got a wheelbarrow wheel, an old metal one, that I'm going to weld on top there, and then my Mosquito is going to sit on top of that. I'm just going to weld this on and show you next step.